Alright, uh, my car ran out of battery today. Is Honda Honda HRV 2019. About to change the battery, so I'm gonna show you guys how we can change the battery from this remote control. It's like a smart remote control, doesn't it? So it's out of battery. So let's find out how we open it, and then what kind of battery you need to change this battery in this smart key. Alright, so first you see this, like this dot, and you push it to the right and it pops up the key. Yeah, it pops up the key right here. You can see the hole right here, and you put it back in, and you click this dot right here, push it to the left, and it just pops up. So the way you open it, it doesn't have any screw around the key. You can see on the other side of the car key. So all you can do is like this gap, and then we kind of put this key in between, and we kind of twist it like this. Not twist, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, I'm not American. I'm Cambodia, so it twist it like that, so it pops up. See, pops up, and you can open that a little bit. So yep, this is how the batteries is. It's a Panasonic. It's not, yeah, it's Panasonic original battery from the factory, from the car factory. Yep. So it's battery is CR2032 3 volt, but yes, Panasonic CR22 2032. Make sure you replace this battery. Make sure you buy this brand. It's like CR22 2032. Make sure you got the 2032 CR2032. So you can find a lot of brands like Inconizers, where I found this one. Inconizer is the same, like it's not the same brand, but it's the same type, like CR2032. So yeah, so we use this one Inconizer for replace this battery, cause I found a hard time to find Panasonic, so I just grab it from Walgreens. So alright, we're gonna change the battery right now, so we be done with it. Yeah, because this battery is die, so let's change it. Yeah, I have a bit of hard time to change this battery. Yeah. So this would be yeah, take it out, make sure the plus sign, like the brand name, you put it so it faces to the top, so that you could see it. So let's take this one, the new one that we just bought, and put this, sorry. So yeah, make sure you put this side on top, like that. Just put it like that. Yep. So put this bad boy in. So let's go right back in. Inconizer. Make sure you find the side for like 3 volt CR22 2032. Yeah, it has a lot of like Inconizer out there, like 25 something, but just make sure you got it 2032. Penske HRV 2019. Yeah, HRV 2019 Honda. Yes. So yeah, we are done with it. So now we're gonna put it back in. Yep. Put this bad boy back in, and we are done. Yes. And then we just, you see the hole right here, the hole for the key. So I don't know, it's a smart key, but why it has a key here for some reason, it's kind of weird. I expect that it doesn't have any key like this. It might be just I mean, kind of locked, so whatever is it, yeah. So put it back in, just snug it in and push it right in. So that's all good. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. You guys have a great day. Thanks.